Peace, family. I pray that everybody is feeling well, but most important of all, thinking even better. Today's date is Sunday, June 12th of 2022. And in this video, we are going to be giving a breakdown on the S&P 500 and where I'm expecting it to go for next week. Last week, I included gold and Euro USD, and those analyses actually played out. Euro USD did start reaching heavily towards the level that we wanted to see. Gold as well. But then on Friday, there was a CPI data report that sent the market into haywire across the entire board. So honestly, I'm not looking to trade those next week because of the violent, like it was just messy. They got to the target, they were extremely messy. So this week, we're only going to be focusing on S&P 500 and also for the mentorship members, you all know that I will be calling a few of the GJ trades that I put on my account going into London session into next week. So what am I seeing on the S&P 500? Well, let's break this down the simplest way that we know possible, right? So we know we have these highs up here at 4204, and we know we have these highs down here at 3813. So the question we have to ask ourselves is which direction is going to be the most probable direction? Are we likely to push up to 4,200 or fall down to 3811? You all know last week I was expecting some bullish price action pushing us up towards 4,300 level. And I gave analysis out saying, I was still expecting us to be bullish. But then with my mentorship group, right as we got towards the end of the week, we did catch the short. On Thursday, we caught the short. So that's the difference between analysis and trading. Analysis is your expectations. Trading is the positions that you take given the state of the market in the moment. And while the analysis may say one thing, the trade or the analysis or the execution in the moment could be telling you a different thing. And that is how me and my mentorship members were able to catch a part of this big short right here. I'll even put, a little screenshot right here so you can see the trade that we took. So now what are we expecting for the week that's coming up? Well, now I believe that it's most likely that we are going to be coming down here to 3811 first before we hit 4,200. And you all know I had targets up here at 4,300 before, primarily because this supply zone right here, or this demand zone right here, whatever school of thought you're from, you may call it an order block, you may call it a supply demand zone, whatever you want to call it. This support candle right here is, we're trading pretty deep into this candle, right? You ideally want to see it reverse at the 50% level of this candle right here, and we're trading very much so through it. So at this point, I believe the most probable direction is for us to head down under these lows down here. More probable, and it's more probable than for us to see us take out 4,200. So we can also see here that we have a one-day imbalance right here between 4111 and 4028. So that could be a place of interest and where I'm looking for the market to possibly pull back to going into next week. When we drop down to a 4-hour time frame, we see that we have a 4-hour imbalance here between 4008 and 3966. And we also have on this candle right here, depending on whatever you want to call it, this would be a zone of resistance that matches up directly with this imbalance right here. So what I'm expecting basically for the market to do on S&P 500 is to pull back to this area. We could even pull back a little bit higher. I have a few zones marked out here as well. A little bit more details going on my chart for the mentorship members, but I'm expecting us to pull back up to this range and then most likely start our path down here. Now this may take all week, like here. We expect it to go up and we went sideways for a week. So this may have another sideways week, especially after this strong drop. But the overall target for the next week, maybe 2 weeks. The market will tell us how fast it wants to move. But the overall direction is I'm expecting it to come down. This analysis will be incorrect or invalidated once we break back above 4123. Breaking back above here will greatly change the structure. And then I will be looking for the market to head back up to 42 and 43. But as of now, I'm looking for a pullback to roughly 3970 to 4,000. And then a continuation down to 3810. That's what we got for today's analysis. And if you are interested in following along with this analysis, a few of the play-by-plays, also I made sure I traded to this week as to what I take with my mentorship members. You all can get that free with the free Telegram that is in the link in the description below. Also, you'll see pinned at the top of that Telegram my 4-month track record. I track my system across 94 trades. Okay, usually on Instagram or social media, you'll see 1 good trade or 2 good trades, but you never see the losing streak, or you'll never see the losses they take, or how they're managing their risk, or how their system fares over the long run. I've included a 4-month track record, 94 trades, and that full report, wins, losses, and break-evens is included, is pinned in my free Telegram. So check that out. I am also looking to work with 2 to 3 individuals on a one-on-one basis for the next 3 months. All right, that registration, the link is like a 9 or 10 question survey. It takes less than 5 minutes to fill out. Fill out the application if that's something that interests you, and then we'll be in contact with you. That entails 3 months, a 3-month program, multiple classes per week, where we tailor make the curriculum to whatever level you're at or to wherever you want to get to in the financial markets and in regards to trading. So those are all the announcements that we have for this week, and you all can subscribe, join me on IG, the bootcamp application, and a free Telegram, and God willing, I'll see you all here on YouTube for the recap and for what I expect for next week. All right, this is Sensei Tubman signing off. I pray that you have a blessed, productive, and peaceful day.